First stop, let's get these nails done. My girl be tending to them cuticles. She does the best cuticle work ever. Look at these. Like, we can argue about it. Like, this is the best cuticle work I've ever had when I come to her. And check out my nails. They so cute. Red is always a cute color to go with, I swear. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Nika. If you are new, hey girl, hey. If you are a returning fly babe, girl, welcome back. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And push that post notification bell so you don't miss when I drop that new heat. Today is what? Tuesday? I'm just over here drinking my water and minding my business. We are going to be opening up some goodies that I received. I got my Boxy Luxe box. So I have not opened it, like stuff was outside. And then I got a package. Let's open this. I already know what it is, but I get to open it. It was a gift that I wanted. Shoes. The freshness. The Converses. Ew. They look big. I think I ordered them too big. I got them in a size 8. And they're the Run Star Hike High. Y'all know, if you know me, you know I love a platform shoe. So, let me try this on. So, these are them on the feet. Super cute. They're comfortable. And then the back. Give me about a good inch. Y'all know I love me a platform shoe. So some of y'all, if y'all don't know, I have a bunch of platform shoes. I love them. I will definitely be grabbing some other colors. But yeah. These is cute. Alright, so then we're going to open this Boxycharm. Our Boxy Luxe box. This one you get every 3 months, I think. Quarterly. And it's an additional like $25 on top of the Boxycharm box, which is a smaller box. And that is $26 a month. So this is the goodies. Ooh, this box month is Bubbles and Glitz. Ooh, so we got some Luxy brushes. I love that they always send brushes. This glitter and gold brush set retails for $85. Look at how pretty they are, though. They're so soft. So you get 8 brushes in this little case. So Christmassy too. So that's cute. Then we have Hip Dot. This is an eyeshadow palette for ranges for $30. This case is really soft. Look how pretty that is, actually. Pressed eyeshadow palette. Ooh, look at those colors. We about to use some of these shadows to create a look. Look at those beautiful colors. Ooh, I like those. I don't know, I feel like I should do something with that blue and that teal. This product we have is, what is this? It's like a temple rub calming that's kind of leaking out. Oh, that's why the box smelled like that. That's why I smelled the brushes, because I was smelling something and it was this oil or whatever this is. What is this? 100% natural calming oil. Calming oil. What's more relaxing than lavender? This one smells like lavender. This temple rub, of course, super blends of oils can help assist relieving headache, stress, and anxiety. $24. Well, you're giving me anxiety with all this smell. I'm sure, like, what is that smell? I know y'all see me smelling brushes. This next one, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 items in the Boxy Luxe box. So we have another, this is a face palette. So some bronzer, blushes, and looks like highlight. Let me see. This is the Iconic London. It's $55. Yeah, it doesn't tell you what they are, but looking at it, it's highlight, blushes, and some bronzer. This here, oh, you get a teeth whitening kit. You know, I've actually never used one of these. This is from Butte Teeth Whitening. And this is Glam Smile Kit, $89. I'm not really sure. Yeah, we're gonna have to see about this. I think my teeth is pretty white, so I don't know how much it's gonna change. This here we have Rockin's Cosmetics. This is a glitter, threesome glitter gel pen. Roxin glitter gel pen. It's these colors. Oh, that's pretty. I like this one. So some eye pencils. It's a blue, green, and then a black. Ooh, we may use this with the eyeshadow palette. This here is $40. So this 3 ranges for $40. The next thing we have is the Avant Skincare. And this is a Glyconic Acid Day Moisturizer. This ranges for $123. $123 for 50 milliliters. This better be some bomb stuff. This day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to skin's slacking, luminosity and volume, and improve skin density. For $123, I better wake up with some new skin. This here is Sunday Riley. I've heard of this brand, but I've never used it actually. This is Sunday Riley all-in-one lactic acid treatment. It's good genes. Deeply exfoliates the dull surface of your skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots and discolorations. Instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. Really? Just 3 minutes? Good genes. This ranges for $85. This Luxie box, they be getting up there in prices, you know. So that's what we have here. Did I say how much the teeth whitening kit was? It was $89. So what I'm gonna do is just use the eyeshadow palette that we have. I can't use none of this face, you know, like face stuff today. So we'll come back and use that. But what I'm gonna do is I want to try this green, because I did see one of those colors I want to use out of that palette. I be hating that little plastic. And we're going to use our new little brushes that match my nails. Okay. So I'm going to just use this as a lid color. Ooh. And it's going to act more like a base, like a primer, you know. This is really creamy, which I like, so it should be easy to blend. Something like this too helps your eyeshadows to pop. So if you have like a color that you want to intensify, you could definitely add this first. And yeah, it'll definitely help you out. So yeah, I like how it's blending out. It's got little specks of glitter in it. Like very little specks. You can actually use this as a liner, or how I'm doing it, like I said, as a base. I think I'll put more on this left eye. which is okay. Ooh wee. I told y'all I want to use this color. This shade right here is called Goddess. Do you, baby, do you, let's get into this. Do you see that color? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I like the, ooh, this shadow. There's no fallout. Nope, no fallout. Could be the brush too. That is really pretty. And then I'm going to take this color next to it called Maya. And I'm actually about to sweep that in the crease. So we're going to have this like blue green. Grab this brush. I like how these handles feel too. They have the name on the brush too. This is a tapered blending brush. So yeah, we're going to go in with Maya. And then we're going to need a clean blending brush just to blend it out. And this isn't a blending brush, but I'm just work with what I got in front of me. Then I'm going to take this lighter shade in here. It's like a brown. Just to help with the blending. I may have to use a blending brush. And I'm sorry, y'all. I keep putting this palette up and it keeps focusing on that. And I didn't add any more product on this brush. I just want to... It's really pretty. Then I'm going to take this ancient color right here, that blue, and swipe that underneath my lash line. These shadows are like creamy. And who is this from? This is Hip Dot. I've never heard of this brand, but their shadows are amazing. It's like mermaid. Now I want to add just a little bit more of that on my lid because we kind of lost some of it. That Goddess color. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to take Jungle. It's like a glitter. And I'm going to pop it right in the center. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry. I get excited. Really pretty. So this is it. This is it. I think that's so pretty. And as I was recording, look at what came. Secret Santa. So yes. These were supposed to be like vlogs, but then I ended up turning them into whatever. But we are done. I am loving my nails. Loving my nails. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Push that post notification bell so you don't miss when I drop that new heat. As always, you know my motto. Slay. Be beautiful. And arrive and leave your stamp. Bye. Want a lot for Christmas.